Ceramic structural parts are components made of ceramic materials, designed for use in a variety of applications. Ceramics are non-metallic inorganic materials, usually formed by the process of heating and cooling. Ceramic structural parts, with their excellent mechanical properties, known for high temperature resistance and corrosion resistance. They are widely used in aerospace, various industries such as automotive, electronics, energy, and some common examples of ceramic structural parts include ceramic tiles for flooring, wall covering and decoration, ceramic bricks for building insulation and kiln linings, ceramic pipes and tubing for conveying fluids or gases in harsh environments, ceramic bearings for high-speed and high-temperature applications, such as turbines and engines, ceramic insulators, used to support and insulate conductors in power transmission systems, ceramic crucibles for laboratory and industry, melting and holding materials at high temperatures. In the environment, ceramic cutting tools, used in machining operations due to its hardness and wear resistance, ceramic filter for liquid or gas filtration in various industrial processes, ceramic substrates as electronic components, substrates such as integrated circuits and printed circuit boards, ceramic heat exchangers for efficient heat transfer. In industrial processes, these are just some examples. The use of ceramic structural parts is wide and diverse. The specific properties and characteristics of ceramics make them suitable for applications where other materials may not perform effectively.